Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When you are going to install something, as a general rule of thumb, you should always orientate it to the way you're going to install. So this gutter is going to be installed this way on the house. So my drain is in the same place that I'm going to install it where it is right now. So if I was to flip the gutter around, I'm going to do things backwards. Okay, so the gutter is now flipped the other way, so the drain is over here on this side. The problem is now that you're going to do a mirror of everything you've done, and it's very easy to make a mistake when you're doing things backwards. Now, I've ran into many problems over the years in construction that they only give you one side of a layout. So the A layout is the regular, but they never give you a mirror, because very commonly with townhouses, they're going to flip their layouts back and forth just to make it look a little more diverse, I guess you can say. But if you're going to work backwards, like I have this right now, because the drain is on this side, but when I install it, it's going to be back on this side. This is where you're going to make mistakes, and they can become very costly. I once drilled a hole for a Roman faucet, which means it sits on the deck of the tub, but I didn't realize it at the time that the tub was backwards, and then I drilled the faucet on the wrong side of the tub. We wound up carrying the tub through the site for a couple months until we found a place to use it. But there was a very simple way to make a mistake, because I didn't orientate to the side of installation. So guys, one other thing is something like a map. This is north. If I'm going to look at the map, I want to have north on the map going this way, not backwards, because that is how you're going to make a mistake when you're trying to do things in a mirrored fashion. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.